Artificial intelligence creates a fluency trap. Its grammatically perfect, logically structured, and smooth text bypasses our critical evaluation. This cognitive fluency is perceived by the brain as comprehension, leading to automation bias where monitoring behavior gradually disappears. When users interact with AI while calm, their thinking engagement may fall into a passive mode, reducing the stability of their cognitive state. Introducing VibeAI FoldSpace, a cognitive awareness layer that helps users stay actively engaged while working with AI. VibeAI targets the growing AI software ecosystem, addressing the needs of hundreds of millions of AI assistant users. Our early adopter focus is on AI power users, students, developers, and freelancers. VibeAI's awareness layer acts as a cognitive mirror and a third eye. It intercepts and processes dialogue between the human and the LLM, reflecting behavioral data for self-correction. VibeAI works in 3 steps. First, the user starts an AI conversation. Second, VibeAI analyzes the conversation thread, providing a live clarity signal. Third, the user improves the conversation based on VibeAI's feedback. The VibeAI coach provides post-send reflection and local feedback on complexity, scope, and analogical reasoning, helping users deepen their engagement. AI is becoming a primary interface for digital work, driving a 5x growth in AI-assisted conversations. VibeAI enters this market at the right time, as AI transitions from a productivity tool to a communication layer. The Hugonomy learning loop describes how the product evolves over time. VibeAI provides local self-reflection signals that help users recognize their thinking engagement while interacting with AI. Improvements to the system come from voluntary user feedback and design iteration, creating a continuous learning cycle without telemetry or cloud data collection. Our early wedge strategy focuses on AI power users, developers, students, and freelancers, where AI usage is most intense. We begin with early adopters, grow through community, and expand into institutional pilots. VibeAI is a mirror, not a spy. It runs locally on your device, sends no data to the cloud, doesn't interfere with your AI, and is open source and inspectable. You stay in control. Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Tingling, founder of Hugonomy Systems. I'm exploring a simple but important question. How do we keep humans actively thinking in the age of AI? VibeAI FoldSpace by Hugonomy Systems is my proposed solution to keeping humans actively thinking in the age of AI. If this idea resonates with you, advisors, builders, and early supporters, follow the journey. And remember, don't outsource your mind. Stay curious, keep thinking, use VibeAI FoldSpace, and vibe with your AI.